I have my chai cup ready with me. I hope you also have a sip. I just hold on.
And
Yeah,
cheers.
very nice, very nice. So
Same cup.
we are going to do a very insightful discussion today with our good friend CA Damanbhai Purohit, who does cooperative societies audits. He specializes in audits and various other things. But today we have chosen a topic to share the knowledge on audits, especially what things we are going to take care of and what things we can avoid as an auditor, and what qualifies, or who rather is qualified as an auditor to do the audit of cooperative society, especially in the Maharashtra, under the Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act. So Daman Bhai is very well qualified and he is going to speak today. And our program will be in the question answer form, Q&A form, by none other than CA Vandana Dodia, who is sitting beside Daman Bhai, and she is going to grill Daman Bhai on various audits. And we have a very good, beautiful personality, beautiful mind, Hiral Mehta, who is going to coordinate the program also. And before wasting too much of time, let us start.
Krutika.
Krutika,
Yes,
I don't know
please.
whether she's there, but yes, both the chartered accountant personalities, Krutika Shah and Hiral Mehta, they have been coordinating various programs on Chai Pe Charcha since we started SGF. So welcome to SGF. Welcome Daman Bhai Purohit. And yes, I mean, I just wanted to add before we start the program, we are going to have one more session on a very lazy Sunday afternoon again uh, to listen to his singing. I have become a great fan of his after listening to some of his songs. So let's start the program. And I welcome Vanna Dodia and Tamanbhai Purohit to conduct the session today on the audit of housing cooperative societies. Thank you. Over to you, Vanna.
Thank you, Daman Bhai.
Thank you very much.
Is Krutika there available with us?
Yes, Kritika is available. So I would request, for the formal introduction of the speaker and moderator from Kritika. Kritika, please take over.
Yeah, thank you, Hiral. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm really excited to introduce today's speaker and moderator. So first, let me start with Vandana. Most of us know Vandana, but let me actually take a privilege of introducing her. Vandana is a chartered accountant with more than 34 years of experience. She has diversified experience in audit, taxation, and indirect taxation. And her USP, or I would say her specialty, is tally. And she has been very active on giving out knowledge on tally. She is also a very good motivational speaker, and over span of so many years, she has been doing motivational speeches which has helped everyone in a very beneficial way. Apart from that, she has been very active member of institute. She's part of a lot of committees like Women Empowerment Committee, GMC's Cooperative Housing Society Committee, Research and Publication, so on and so forth. What I want to say here is that she has been contributing in a different ways to our profession, and she is very passionate about making it more making it more visible, making it more challenging. So we really look forward to Vandana's contribution in this. She has been very active member of advisory group of Borivali Study Circle, which has almost more than 1,700 members. And apart from that, she is a life member of various other committees and circles. So I look forward to Vandana, getting into the groove and start the discussion with Daman Bhai Purohit. And about Daman Bhai Purohit, we all know that he's a very passionate. Let me start with his hobbies first, so that we all are interested. So he's a very passionate singer. He has been singing publicly also, and he has been, part of lot of events which CA Institute has been conducting. He has been into practice for last so many years, and he specializes in cooperative housing society audits. I mean, many of us may wonder that this is a very contrasting combination of being a chartered accountant plus singing, but we all will know in a very short time that he can handle both of them very well. So over to you, Vandana and Daman Bhai Purohit for today's exciting session.
Thank you very much, Kritika and Bharat Bhai, for starting and plotting, and Hiral being there as a coordinator. And I'm so lucky to have Daman Bhai with me.
Thank you.
Because Daman Bhai has been for our study circle. I know him from ages. It's like maybe at least 15-20 years
15
we know. 15 years we know each other. And cooperative, see, we have to be cooperative. You know, in life we all say. And we all know that cooperative housing society, nobody cooperates each other. In AGM, you all come to know how it happens. But still, we as an auditor, we have today invited all, chartered as well as non-chartered accountant, society members also, those who are doing the audit day in and day out, or they are exposed to the auditors. So we will be talking from both the sides. So initially, what I want to start with, Daman Bhai, if I qualify as a chartered accountant,
Yes.
what are the opportunities available and how I can get the audit? That's a boot question. When I will be allotted, or what is the pattern and how it should be going about.
See-
So tell us the the statutory compliance as well as practical compliance.
Thank you, Vandana Madam and Kritika Madam and Hiral and Bharat Bhai, giving you opportunities by the SGF. And I'll have some answers for you. That see, once you become the chartered accountant, see, there is not only the criteria to have audit from this company's tax audit and others, but there is an option for the societies also. There is a GDCA, means Government Diploma for Master Government. So it is, you can pass these exams and also become this auditor.
So a graduate can qualify
Yes,
at
graduate.
GDCA and can do the cooperative
Yes.
housing society audit, provided he is
Have I completed 3 years with the any CS or the professional auditor?
okay.
Or government job he has done with the Master Government for as an auditor.
So that will make him eligible. But
Eligibility.
But how he will be getting the right to get the audit? So there is something called
Yes, panel. Panel. He has to be panel.
panelists.
Master Government. This panel is made by this Deputy Commissioner Registrar of Maharashtra State. Every year, every 3 years, it is been updated, and refreshly we have to apply for it. Empanelment.
And in that empanelment also they want some criteria because we belong to Maharashtra.
Yes, he has to be Maharashtrian, but
No,
for
he should
chartered
be knowing
Marathi language.
Marathi
But
language.
some members also, those don't have a Marathi language knowing, but also been appointed as a auditor,
Okay.
because there are some, being a chartered accountant, you have some
Privilege. Okay.
in some bank audits, cooperative banks means this Patpedi. It is there required for chartered accounts only. Audit.
Okay,
Then-
so that comes to the session like this. As of now, Maharashtra government, due to COVID, the previous panel is working.
Working
They have
till
extended.
next year, it will continue. And when after, I think December onwards, they will start again. Nowadays, is last year's whatever they impaneled for that audit, they are continuing for the next. This current year also they have to be continued.
So the society members are guided by Daman Bhai ke they should find out first and foremost to the auditor whom they are going to appoint should be having empanelment
Empanelment.
number. That is the
Empanelment.
precondition.
Yeah. And this site for portal website Mahasarkar, maharashtra.gov.in, you can visit there and search for the auditor for that particular area when Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4, Mumbai Zone, Mumbai 1 and the Maharashtra, different. And there are the different types of societies available. You have to choose for the cooperative housing societies. And there, these members have to, means member is not the auditor, but by the society has to appoint, select the member and request for the appointment. And then auditor has to accept the audit, whether is it empaneled and is eligible, has not accepted audit more than 20 if this authorized capital of the society is
Share capital. Paid up share capital.
paid up share capital is 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh rupees. Then it is maximum limit for the auditor to accept the audit. If less than 1 lakh rupees of the share capital, then auditor can choose many audits. Means
There is no
many
upper
societies
limit.
can
There is no upper limit. So it is a very good opportunity for
Yes,
earning
yes.
for the chartered accountants or GDC for that matter.
Yes, I am
because there is
doing
no
more
upper
about
limit.
45 audits every year.
Okay.
So it's also giving big housing societies giving like a tax audit fees. So you are having a good chance of also not having audit, but you can consult for this extra how to manage the audit, how to manage the society, how to make the conveyance. All these things are available for this auditor also.
Achha, nowadays we have found that portal is not working. So what is the way out? How to go about?
See, then the portal is not working. Where already you have to apply with the portal only. Then it is required mandatory to have physical. You have to write this appointment. You have to receive the appointment from the societies within 30 days from the AGM, and have to submit the registrar office
Acceptance letter.
acceptance letter
Along with the resolution.
to the
Correct.
societies as well as to the registrar office.
Also, do you think that like in our other statutory audit, we have to communicate to the previous audit? That is also required here?
This is all CA's what is the for
No,
the
but
conduct.
GDCA doesn't intimate us. Generally,
See,
I have found
but
that.
it is
Hiral, you have a question?
Vandana ma'am, no, Bharat bhai want to ask some question. He raised his, hand. So Bharat bhai, you can, ask.
yeah.
You have to unmute.
I have a question on the audit fees, number one, and the number of years a chartered accountant or a registered society auditor can audit that society. Can
That
you
was the next
highlight-
question coming in.
Naturally, we are interested in the fees only, CS, right?
Of course.
There is a fees market for the audit in the particular cantonment zone. After cantonment, you should say municipality zone in Mumbai, particularly. It is 100 rupees per member per year for one society. Means suppose one society has 100 members, so 100 rupees per 100 members.
But this was, sir, this was fixed in the Societies Act came in 1960, right?
Yeah.
And
That
this
time
was
it was 35 rupees, no?
The 36 rupees there was.
36 rupees, and then it has gone to 100 rupees. Now, can't we write? I'm just saying, this is out of the blue question, but can't we write to the Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act or do a representation?
Already the
They have forwarded
100
the
rupees, you don't get even a small, Frankie also today in today's. So what is the point? If it is a small society, even Bombay, you see 10 building with 10 flats. So 1,000 rupees. Who will do an audit of in 1,000 rupees?
So there are certain ways
Yes.
and means.
But
Sir,
yes, I agree
Yes,
that yes,
we
when
can
we
have-
do audits, we have ancillary business also. In the sense that yes, we can, like you said, doing consultancy and all.
Correct.
So I am in favor of increasing the fees to 1,000 rupees per member.
Yeah.
okay. Chalo, going forward,
Okay.
the very important questions I wanted to ask you. Certain society has the pattern that they write AGM has given the right managing committee to appoint the auditor.
No.
Does that work? Just throw the light on
it
that.
is not it's avoidable because appointment is to be made in the AGM only. Certain members of what certain societies are doing like that. मेंबर्स को अपना कमिटी मेंबर को पावर दे देते हैं कि चलो आप अपना जो भी सीए रहेगा या तो अकाउंटेंट को बोल देते हैं कि तुम अपना चूज करके लेके आओ उसके बाद साइन करा के लाओ. It is not acceptable. Most of societies I've heard and seen that the accountant appoint करता है auditor को. It is not allowable.
Copy paste करके
Also,
link.
the auditor is appointed in AGM only and has to be marked with the resolution. Specifically, the auditor's name, his employment, and the fees is prescribed by the registrar.
Sir, you meant to say we have to specify in the notice of AGM that we are going to appoint this person and this is the appointment number and everything, and then it should be accepted at AGM?
Yes. No, it's see we can see member have a right to suggest a name. Member can suggest the name to the society in AGM that before AGM you can suggest that okay, I want to appoint this particular person like Companies Act what we are doing, and in the passing resolution, when the members all the members are agreed to the particular name, then it can be appointed. And the previous auditor who has been is either sometimes what happens the previous auditor says I'm not accepting the audit, he want to resign. Then also society can have power to appoint new auditor, and one auditor is continue for maximum 3 years.
Yeah.
It is span, and after 3 years means completion of third audit. The society has to appoint new auditor only, and there should be maybe a chartered accountant or maybe a GDCA, who may be, or by empanel from the department.
But he can be reappointed.
Yeah, but 3 years after 3 years he cannot be reappointed.
It's like
And
that. 1
every-
year if he goes outside, and then after 1 year again he can come back.
See, this is the cooling period like that. So it is the societies have to power has to decide whether has to appoint particular person after 2-3 years again, or next year in the 1 year cooling period.
So now all of you must have been cleared by that. Okay, what we have understood till now. Okay, there is a audit opportunities available to us. We should be empaneled.
Yes.
And empanelment comes once in a 3 years. And once you are appointed, you are already there for 3 years, depending on the society's whims.
Yes.
Because every AGM they have to appoint. It's not like at a stretch they will appoint you for 3 years.
Yes.
But after 3 years, compulsory cooling has to be there. And fees are mandatorily decided by 100 rupees by the these societies. And suppose you are away from Mumbai limits, I think it is a lesser amount. Less.
Maybe 60 or 70.
70 rupees are there. Like if you go to Palghar side, there will be 70 rupees.
Mahanagar Palika is having 100 rupees.
It is like MCGM has to be there. Mahanagar Palika.
Wherever Mahanagar Palika is there.
Wherever. So any district
Like
having Pune also having Nagar Palika, so the rate will be accordingly. It is decided. There is also like grade also. Once your partnership form, there will be a grading also will be done. So having understood that we are now appointed as an auditor, now you tell us what are the different ways reports. Is there any specific format is there for cooperative society, or we do general?
It is prescribed by the MEMS.
Hello. Hello.
There is a system. See, statutory report is given by the auditor as per our whatever audit is prescribed by the Chartered Accountants Act. Right? It's a phase audit report. But the second audit report is Form N. There is a specifically Part A, Part B, Part C. See, this type of mention you have to mention in the audit report. Like that, first is Part A. It requires compliances of society has to mandatory file the returns.
Hello.
Society.
One second. Nandlal, Mr. Nandlal wants to ask something.
Yes.
Hi. You can,
Hi.
ask.
Good evening, everybody. Nice to be here with you. There's some correction, it seems. As per my experience, I'm an auditor in the corporate field last 28 years.
Yeah.
As per the COVID norms, auditor can be appointed in the managing committee since the AGM and SGM is not there.
No, not at all.
They have said video conference se bhi AGM kar sakte hain. That notification has come.
And the earlier auditor who is there
Will
continue.
The panel will continue.
Vandana madam, he is right. There is a circular last year.
Jayesh bhai, kya hai?
Circular exact date I don't know, but there is a circular that managing committee can appoint, and then it has to be ratified before
Exactly.
31st March 2021
Exactly.
in the AGM to be held.
Yes. It is confirmed.
Appointment is
Yeah, it is confirmed.
3 years span is
Subject to ratification in the AGM.
but
And that AGM was extended up to 31st March 2021.
Hello, I'm not talking about the 3 years. I'm talking about the appointment of an auditor
It is
can
never-
be conducted in the managing
It
committee.
was permitted for 1 year.
Yes,
So
especially
then we cannot say
because-
that it is
It is
allowed.
not a audit. This
It is not allowed.
Yes, it is
No.
act. No,
It
it's
is
a
not.
particular only.
For COVID
It-
relaxation
relaxation.
must be given.
Only
That-
COVID.
for
Yeah.
COVID,
Only for
COVID,
COVID.
COVID.
So it should not be taken as a granted. No.
That's why
1
we
year
have
only.
to give
I
the
said the
proper
same thing.
information that managing committee is never authorized for the intervening period, as you say. But still, my opinion differs still. Why? Because there was a auditor committee meeting a month back, and where
Yes.
I have specifically asked this question, and the deputy district registrar also
Okay.
said me it is null and void. Madam, you tell me who is doing like this. Managing committee को हमने कभी right नहीं किया. AGM has to appoint auditor. So मतलब
It was given for 1 year only.
Listen,
It is
I'm
only-
not. Jayesh not finished. Let me finish one.
I got a circular.
हाँ तो તમે यहाँ अगर PDF નાખો ને हमारा chat box માં, so that will also help our participants to know. By the
Yes,
question
yes.
is that their general tendency in the society is that cooperative that in AGM minutes they write that managing committee is authorized and they will appoint. So that practice
Only-
is not valid. That's what we are
No,
trying.
hello, it is only for the COVID period.
Ah.
For the
The
COVID.
last 1 year, it is allowed, maybe allowed.
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
But it is not.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
But
Huh.
there
It
is
is
not
a part of
in the public
relaxation.
platform. It cannot be said, okay, it is allowed for.
हाँ.
Okay.
Yeah, so it is
particular
as a part
source.
of relaxation only. It is not, considered in
Ah.
act
Yes,
per
yes,
se
yes.
or circular.
Quite
we
obvious.
have to refer only
Hmm.
for certain period.
Quite obvious.
So
Quite
we
obvious.
can,
Yes.
now go forward for the another
Yes.
Yes,
question. now.
yes, we got it. It is good. That is
Welcome.
what is discussion is required. No, this is
Thank
chai
you.
pe
Thank
chacha
you
us
very
liye
much.
ho rahi
So,
hai.
being an
Exactly.
auditor, we can discuss on that matter. But being a
Yes.
society, you cannot discuss this matter. No, Like
No,
that.
no, no,
Yeah,
no,
yes.
no, no. Yeah. Welcome.
Haan.
Thank you.
So we were on the, there are specific formats. So just throw the light on that
Yes.
format.
See, format is part. I just already said that Form N report, society's report, to be particularly mentioned in the A, B, C part. See, A part is compliances and irregularities. It means society has to maintain the proper records of IJ register, member nomination register, fixed asset register, different types of sinking fund registers, and compliances like that, filing of annual returns to the society registrar office by way of on the portal or maybe at physically, and appointment made in this AGM. Everything balance sheet, profit loss account has to be filed with the registrar office. Is a compliances. Irregularities means insurance of the this premises, default in the bylaws, defaults in not structural audit, not taken the structural audit of the premises by the society. These are to be mentioned in the audit reports. Filing of income tax returns, TDS returns, applicability of GST, whatever it is there, they have to be prescribed report in the reporting. Then part B, which shows our assets and liabilities, like Companies Act. We are giving reports and prescribed manners. So, like societies also have report, also have to mention assets and liabilities properly. In the particular assets like our उल्टा यहाँ पे उल्टा होता है जैसे हम लोग कंपनी सेक्ट में हम लोग मेंशन करते हैं फिक्स असेट
सबसे टॉप में.
इस बाद में इन्वेस्टमेंट फर्दर इन लास्ट में कैश ऑन हैंड वो सब आता है और यहाँ पे उल्टा रहता है कि कैश एंड द बैंक्स आर कम फर्स्ट in the balance sheet presentation. So you have to put in the balance, cash balances, bank balances. Cash balance is not more than 5,000 rupees, which is prescribed in the Act and as per bylaws. Then investments, your deposits, fixed deposits, the loans, advances, members' outstanding dues. Mainly focus on two parts: deposits, assets. Deposits means fixed deposits, and the sinking fund deposits. And this outstanding with the members.
So you mean to say that earmark of the deposits, earmark of the funds is mandatory requirement?
Yes, sinking fund you have to earmark.
Okay.
Earmark is because you cannot utilize this sinking fund for your
funds for the day-to-day
purpose,
Okay.
also for repair purpose also.
Okay.
You cannot apply
Okay.
without taking the AGM's permission.
Okay.
And you have to inform to the registrar office.
Okay.
Earlier it was there, you have to take the permission from the registrar also.
Okay.
But they have relaxation in particular. You can have AGM more than
Authorizing.
2/3 majority is to be there.
Okay. To use the fund sinking
Fund
fund.
sinking funds.
Okay. Okay, that's new. Something I also just came to know today.
1 second, someone want to ask some question. I am not having his name actually. He has
So
raised
ask
his
him to
hand.
first park his name, Hiral, kya Sudeep? There is
Yeah.
something called, we have completed compliances and irregularities that will become part of Form O, if whatever we mention in our
Yeah,
audit
next
remark.
we will come to the.
And that is all. So balance sheet and income and expense. We were always, I was getting confused. There is something called audit classification. What it actually means?
See, audit classification is the society's numbering. It means you say it's a qualification, which is a first number है, second number, third number में हम बोलते हैं उसको कि ये powerful उसका जो system management जो है
shows
उसकी societies
the
का
one society which is very law compliant, whatever Maharashtra society is telling, or a statutory laws, GST, income tax, every
not
law.
filing properly returns, not maintaining balance sheets,
So-
audit report not maintaining
Okay.
in
So
timely manner.
whatever everything done is classified as
Properly.
A.
Yes, A. Is more rarely this comes in the A. Most of people are giving A. Second thing, for giving A, it is for my is a perception is that society, the premises, rights and titles of the
Conveyance should be there in your name.
in the name of the society.
Then only
So
A
you can say
come.
that there is a plus point for the society.
Okay.
So you can, if you want to give A, then you should have
that
particular
much clarity.
But the society सब कुछ बराबर मेंटेन करते हैं सब कुछ, लेकिन सोसाइटी के नाम में कन्वेंस हुआ ही नहीं है.
Okay.
बराबर लैंड एंड प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड टू some other then why it is required a conveyance? Because auditor has to see whether the conveyance is made in the favor of the society. Because once it is not made, insurance company denied sometimes.
Okay. Claim. Okay.
So it is.
I never knew that this also happens.
But
We thought
see,
that insurance done means everything is done.
everybody said ki we have taken the insurance, but
right.
once it comes in the name of the earthquake,
Okay.
suppose full property is demolished,
Okay.
and the property owner is some different person,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
The owner is not your builder.
I got your point.
So then they will come into the picture and can take the rights of the original land.
Okay.
So your society will away.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. There, as per the classification, what Madam has asked about A, B, and C, there is a marks format is there. We have to calculate the marks for so and so, so and so. When the total comes on that, we give grade A, B, and C.
Yes.
We have to gain the marks. Then accordingly, we give the grade in the end.
Correct.
There's a marks format is there. This we
Yeah.
give in the fishery also. Fishery audit also, we do the same.
Yes.
Yeah, correct.
So many people are what I'm taking the overline because most of people are not taking the particular whatever given by the MCS, right? What we follow, the right criteria to be followed.
Exactly.
So by बोलते हैं ना अपर लेवल में जो ऊपर से दिखता है अपना जो ऑडिटर है पूरा डीपली जाता नहीं है, बोल रहे हैं जैसे we have 2,000 rupees fees of that audit, so why should go inside? But as an auditor is required to be take more initiatives in the audit.
Definitely. The genuine audit, I can say.
Thank
you. Yeah.
And signing, who is there mandatory requirement? 3 office bearers need to sign that society audit
report. Yes,
report?
it is required. And sometimes what happen कि कोई बोलता है कि मेरा सेक्रेटरी आउट ऑफ मुंबई गया है, अरे भाई इतना बड़ा काम लेके बैठा है और उसी टाइम पे क्यों ऑडिट के बाहर जाता है वो, बराबर? Actually it is not required. Something disputes is going on in the society, so we have to take care of it. Or secretary, chairman, treasurer, the signature is required. See, suppose secretary and treasurer, who is actually means affairs of the society, managing affairs of the society, has to sign. उस दिन वो बाहर गया है करके आपका वो कोई भी वो नहीं चलेगा कि मैं उस दिन ये नहीं हूँ, 4 दिन के लिए आउट ऑफ सेशन हूँ, सो ये आपका जो भी रिप्लाई है वो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है ऑडिटर्स को. यू टू वेट, क्या लूट जाता है आपका.
अच्छा, sometimes it happens that suddenly due to COVID chairman died. Chairman died, so how reports can be signed?
No, it is available that he other than the chairman, the secretary, this treasurer and the committee members, other जो भी है आपका जो रेगुलर वो भी अफेयर्स में काम करते ही है मोस्टली कमिटी, तो उनका भी आप सिग्नेचर ले सकते हो. और पर्टिकुलरली जो ऑडिट रिपोर्ट्स जो साइन जो एक्सपायर हो गया है उसका आपके पास प्रूफ होना चाहिए कि ही इज एक्सपायर्ड इन द विद इन ड्यूरिंग द ऑडिट पीरियड और बिफोर सोसाइटीज ये, बिकॉज सो कमिटी में बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं जो 7 से तो ऊपर ही रहते हैं मोस्टली, तो अवेलेबल है आपके.
So there is an option one person is not available, genuine reason is there. So, but 3 signature is must. That's what you are trying to say.
Yes.
Okay.
Because that's why we are specifically mentioned in the audit report this Nikhil, for the particular so and so society is limited. Signed. President is there's a post of president also there.
Okay.
President, chairman, secretary, treasurer.
Okay.
Any 3 of them.
Inside. Okay.
Hmm.
And once I complete the audit, do I have to discuss with the management and how it actually works?
Absolutely, because whatever you come up with your
Draft audit
report, your whatever you decided to mention in the reports, everything. You have to just whether sometimes what happens, we say ki society has not maintained the cash balance as per the 5,000 rupees, whatever these bylaws has mentioned, right? Is required, prescribed by the bylaws. So when you 5,000 rupees का है, even last COVID का section में देखिए season, बराबर 20s में, March 20 में, 31st March 20 को banks were closed.
So what do you
बैंक
do?
में आपको केस भरने का जो बात था, वो तो रहा ही नहीं उधर.
Option ही नहीं.
So आपके पास केस होने suppose 20,000 रह गया हाथ में. So what will you do? So you have to remark that कि particular in the particular situation, though ये case on hand है, because you are not supposed to deposit. Due to this
so it was a natural calamity which forced you to keep that.
Yes.
So,
and as and when the bank is starting you have to deposit the amount.
Okay. And then that there will be also limit okay, how much a managing committee can spend cash. It
Yes,
is by bylaws or by the act. How
bylaws, it is 1,500 rupees, but it is not feasible in Mumbai.
Okay.
But sometimes whatever expenses you do, I prescribe to the societies also, and we have, as a auditor, we have to take care of that. Vouchers are taken signature at least 2 or 3. 3 I prefer 3 people. 2 chairman or secretary or treasurer, and 1 committee member. Who is available? 3 people to pay the case expenses more than 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
मेरा तो ये सिस्टम है, सबको मैं पूछता हूँ, मांगता हूँ सबसे मैं डिटेल. बिकॉज क्या होता है कि आपके पास कोई प्रूफ नहीं, सपोज बोलता है कि मैंने स्वीपर को मैंने 5,000 रुपया झाड़ू का निकाल के दिया है स्पेशली कोई स्पेशल पर्पस के लिए, तो आपको तभी उसको स्पेसिफाई करना है ये देखने वाला कौन था कि इतना रुपया खर्चा हुआ. और वो ये भी पॉसिबल है कि यू टेक द अदर मेंबर्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी सिग्नेचर फ्रॉम अदर मेंबर्स हु आर अवेलेबल एट द टाइम ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर एक्सपेंसेस.
Mr. Kavi Kannade has this question. As per new bylaw, 10 shares of 50 each, but most of the societies having 5 shares of 50 each. How to rectify that?
They have to issue the new shares.
New shares you have to issue by whatever the new format will be changed to the 50. So there is a members of this or society has to decide and pass the resolution in the AGM and to rectify it and issue the new shares in place of the old.
We have started doing in most of the society because we used to put it in audit remarks. So then they have to address that. And once they have to address that, they have to issue. Only precaution is that if there is a authorized is not there, then they have to approach to the registrar office and increase the authorized also to that match up with the paid up capital. So you have to match up with the latest amended bylaws. Basically, the notification which
an auditor also has to see that whether new amended bylaws has been adopted by the society or not.
Correct.
Most of society has not adopted since today.
So what is the if they don't accept? I mean, they have not adopted. Then what is the nuance?
See, we have to put the remarks. What can we also
our duty is to just put a remark.
This is under compliances. This is under compliances of
compliances and irregularities. Okay. And what was the date of signing the report?
Date of signing the report is either the date of the managing committee.
After your audit report approval.
Yes, approval. First, you have to approve the audit report. Once you have given the
draft
audit report, they will approve. Okay, there is no any mismanagement or mismatch with our audit report. Sometimes we particular remarks which is already they have complied.
They have complied.
But we have not come to know at the time of audit. So we remark that particularly. So we have to change it.
Okay.
So that's why
incorporate the
changes. That's why we need the draft audit to be approved.
Okay.
I would request the
Madam, I'm complete this first.
Viral.
Let me complete first, because otherwise we'll discontinue the matter.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm telling participants. We were covering your queries at the end of the session, so you can write in the chat box, and I will cover all the questions wherever
Yes.
it is possible.
We'll have Q&A,
Yes.
another Q&A answer session. Right
Correct.
now we have question answer going on.
No, not.
Participant
we'll
question
take
also
over.
we will take it.
We'll take her.
So whatever remarks you are giving, and that is called Form O.
No, this is not
That
form.
is not form.
No, this is
Okay.
a audit report only. Form audit report, and then
Okay.
after the audit memo, you have to give the in the audit
1
memo.
and 7 has come
One,
now,
form number 1
and 28
and
was there.
28 number.
So 28 is now
28
replaced,
now,
no?
so
7.
for, no, it is 28 only, just.
Acha,
And,
because as far as I know, we have 1 and 7 started from current year. So that we need to understand.
Okay.
G7 has GST number and all other compliances which you have to
Okay.
mention there.
So I
there
have not
are-
gone through this.
There are 2 new forms which we will be sharing with the participants. If
Okay.
we have their email address, they ask them to mention their email address in the chat box. So we will sending them form 1 to form 1 also has revised with certain updates, and form 7 is also form 7 has come for housing society from the current year, but 2021.
28 is specified for the assets and liabilities.
Correct.
We have properties,
Property registers and all,
Registration,
everything you have
title
checked.
deeds
So we
registered.
were discussing I just interrupted you.
हाँ.
Sorry.
Because what happens कि 28 अभी तक तो सबके मन में 28 ही चल रहा था ना,
Correct,
मेरे मन में
correct.
भी 28 ही है.
हाँ.
So जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट 1 में है तो वो अपना ऑडिट रिपोर्ट कभी कंप्लीट हुआ और आईजे रजिस्टर मेंटेन हुआ है कि नहीं प्रॉपर्ली.
Correct. Whatever remarks you have mentioned there.
हाँ, नॉमिनेशन क्या है,
Correct.
प्रॉपर्टी टाइटल
clear है कि
नहीं, कैश मैनेजमेंट कितना है, कैश ऑन हैंड कितना है आपका,
Correct.
मतलब सरप्लस डेफिसिट कितना है, क्या सब एवरीथिंग इज यू हैव टू रिपोर्ट इन द फॉर्म 1 एंड 28 में आपका असेट्स लाइबिलिटीज के जो लोन प्रॉपर्टी जनरल बनाने के लिए आपने प्रॉपर्टी बिल्डिंग को मेंबर्स को एंट्री करने के लिए आपने खर्चा किया है. See, these 2 forms to be added with your main audit report.
Okay.
And registrar always go with this form 1 and 28 memo.
Correct. And what I understood is that whatever irregularities, we generally write notes to accounts or audit reports, notes to audit report, main audit report. One we give to the members of the
General
society.
remarks
So
report.
there I heard once upon a time I had to go to WRC. There was one session on cooperative housing society. That time Shilpa Shingare was there, right?
Yeah.
She told us that to the chairman, secretary, किसको address करना है वो report जो हम मेन ऑडिट रिपोर्ट करते हैं
वो मेंबर्स को करना है.
टू द मेंबर्स करना है.
हाँ.
ओके.
Because generally people are, मेरा कहना है कि we are giving report to the society, not to the chairman.
Okay. So these are very small things. What we
Like
would
companies
like
act,
to,
like companies, we are giving the report to the members. So
okay.
these headings to be to the members.
Okay.
But we are generalized. Letter is giving front letter.
Covering letter can
is
be
giving
to
favor to the society chairman, secretary.
Okay.
Because first they have to receive, then
Okay.
or one more thing I have to add here. Societies में जो भी audit report हम लोग submit करते हैं, तो society is not delivering to the members.
हाँ, they
Audit
just
reports
the
are
financials
giving,
only
because
they.
वो reporting में कुछ लिखा हुआ है करके they are not issuing to the members. So you have to take the care of it.
Okay. So we also have a right to attend AGM.
Absolutely.
Okay.
You have a right, but subject to right ये है कि अगर आपको इच्छा है, or you have to inform to the society that we are going to attend this AGM, और कुछ
Are they duty bound to inform you that there is a AGM on so and so date?
Yes, you have to receive the notice before due date, whatever the 15 days earlier than the AGM. And कोई irregularities जो भी है, which is you not come to the know, which is come to know, but you don't want to discuss with this report, but you want to discuss with the society.
Okay.
Then also you can attend the meeting.
So let's now come to the rights of auditors and responsibility, right?
Yes.
Till now we've discussed about the appointment of auditor. We discussed about what are the reporting format and what precautions we do while doing the. But what are my now rights and responsibility towards the audit? That you can just
there is
provide.
I already told you, na, you have the right to have a receive of notice for the AGM.
Okay.
Because you are reappointing or reappointed or not, is also come to know. You have to receive the AGM minutes. You right to receive the minutes.
Okay. And then physical cash verification,
This is
we have to
must
mandatorily go and do.
mandatory on the 31st March
Okay.
of the year, every year.
Okay.
But sometimes what happens to the auditor is appointed after the due date of the completion of the year, means 31st March. So he may not be available to the verify
Check
the cash.
verification, okay.
But my view is that we have, as an auditor, we should have a surprise check on some particular day.
Okay. And that can be
You,
back.
but you can give the date to them. Just tomorrow I am coming to. See, not giving chance to them 2-3 days before.
Okay.
So you it not to be surprise.
Okay.
Because हाउसिंग सोसाइटी मैनेजर मैनेज करता है, वो मैनेज करता है, so secretary available नहीं है, वो नहीं है. So we give the previous day time. Okay.
What are the rights of managing committee? Can you throw some light on that?
Managing committee has to have the power to call the minutes, the society monthly meeting.
Okay.
Society.
That reminds me, Form 1, they keep on asking how many meetings conducted during the year.
Yeah.
So that also
There's
form
12
part.
minutes,
Minimum 12 meetings they should conduct.
to be conducted.
Okay, okay.
और ज्यादा किया तो बहुत अच्छा ही है, because वो 12 महीने में 12 बार वो मिले हैं तो मालूम पड़ता है कि what they have done
Actually,
in the actual they are what they are doing. छोटा सोसाइटी है तो sometimes they have no time, कर लेते हैं, बोले चलो 15-20 लोग की है सोसाइटी तो कम लेते मीटिंग, लेकिन 12 महीने के 12 बार तो 12 टाइम तो it has to be get together, like you have to sit with.
And when is the
one more thing उसमें,
sorry,
जो भी expenses societies के members they makes expenses more than whatever the prescribed limit.
Okay.
Then they have to go with the AGM only, not
Okay.
to pass in the committee meeting.
Okay.
And every committee meeting they also specifically mention particular for the expenses to be incurred in particular next month or जो भी है और ratify करना है तो भी उसको ratify करके then you have to mention in the AGM also.
Okay.
And we have auditor has to see whether they are managing this meeting, जो managing committee meeting है उसमें specifically mention किया है वो particular expenses.
So you mean to say, as an auditor, I have to read the last AGM minutes also, and throughout the year committee meetings also I have to go through.
Yes.
Okay. That's also part and parcel of it.
Our audit. And we have to also verify whether the IJ register
is maintained
properly maintained.
Okay.
उसमें अपडेटेड हुआ है कि नहीं, नया मेंबर सबमिट हुआ है, उसका
ट्रांसफर आते हैं ड्यू टू डेथ और ड्यू टू ट्रांसमिशन और व्हाटएवर. ओके.
25,000 लिमिट्स जो रजिस्टर अपना स्पेसिफाई किया हुआ है बाइलॉज में,
ट्रांसफर फीस
उससे ज्यादा नहीं लिया हुआ है.
अच्छा, ज्यादा लिया तो टैक्स भरेंगे और क्या? अलाउड नहीं है,
अलाउड नहीं है.
बाकी सारी सोसाइटी
वो
50,000
उसको
लेती
बाय
है.
अदर मींस लेते हैं कि वो मेरा ट्रांसफर फी नहीं है, वो रिपर्स मेंटेनेंस के लिए लेते हैं, डेवलपमेंट फी लेते हैं.
आई हैव नोटिस समथिंग.
देन दे हैव टू पे द टैक्स ऑन दैट.
Okay. How will come to know okay sinking fund passbook something, is it something mandatory required? I have never seen in any audit
Sinking
as such.
fund register has to be maintained by the society, and the members जो भी collection लेता है sinking fund का, it is the rights of the members. आपका जो collection लेता हूँ मैं महीने का जो पैसा मैं भरता हूँ, that is my rights with the society, because ये एकदम contingency में use करने के लिए पैसा है. If वो पैसा मैंने दिया है वो मेरे पास रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए कि मैंने कितना रुपया अभी तक भरा है. और इसमें ऐसा था बाइलॉज में कि इफ आई वांट टू लिव आई सेलिंग द फ्लैट मींस मेरा जो शेयर से मैं ट्रांसफर करके जाता हूँ दूसरे को, तो मेरा जो पैसा अवेलेबल है इन द फंड्स सिंकिंग फंड्स में आई कैन टेक बैक.
Oh, this is something new. I'm listening for the first time.
So that's why they have to maintain the
passbook of the sinking fund. Oh, that is there.
But nobody asked for that and nobody
knows
interested
actually.
in that.
Nobody's doing
I mean,
in
nobody,
my career.
no,
I've never seen.
I'm not in favor of to take back.
Okay, that's why.
That's why registrar has पहले वही था ना कि रजिस्ट्रार से परमिशन चाहिए. Everything because money is lying with the money is for
society.
Because members funds you have kept in your as a
okay as a custody, and that is why sinking fund FD is also earmarked so that money is in safe hands and it is not misutilized or used for a day-to-day operations. Correct. So that comes to me one more thing. आजकल ना वो towers लगा देते हैं. There is income is coming. So in that scenario also, are you supposed to collect sinking fund when I'm a cash rich society?
Sinking fund is different part.
Okay.
And वो मैंने बोला जो registered is statutory requirement है.
Statutory requirement.
Repairs fund and sinking fund.
Okay.
Means total 1 रुपया है उसका 25 पैसा 75. 25 पैसा is sinking fund.
Okay.
70 पैसा for repairs fund.
Okay.
You have to collect like that.
Okay.
Square feet के हिसाब से.
Okay.
तो वो अभी ऑडिटर को वो चेक करना है कि प्रॉपर्ली वो कलेक्शन लेते हैं और
हाँ, but
ज्यादा लिया तो
कि हमारा तो पूरा कैश रिच कंपनी, हमको जरूरत ही नहीं है.
नहीं,
They are
ऐसा
not raising any maintenance bill only.
So
In
your
that scenario,
maintenance bill is different part and
Okay.
the funds is different part.
so we have to remark that they
Yes.
have not collected sinking
Yes.
fund as per the
और
bylaws.
नहीं कलेक्ट किया है तो आपका जो पैसा रेंट का आता है, you have to transfer to the sinking fund amount.
Okay, that can be a good advice.
Yes.
Okay,
Then
that's
you
a
can
nice
say
advice.
every year your amount will be credited to the sinking
So,
fund.
so much so, depending on the square feet of
Yes,
the
yes.
society. Okay, that's something.
Because it is for futures buildings का जो भी use repairs आने वाला है, उसके लिए आप replace करने के लिए वो sinking
करना
fund
ही
maintain
पड़ेगा.
करते हैं.
हाँ. So that's a nice thing. And you already mentioned about the insurance के
Yes.
land and building should be,
Every
title should be
society
clear.
should take insurance. मेरा ये है कि टाइटल क्लियर के बाद तो है नेक्स्ट, लेकिन आपको इंश्योरेंस एवरी सोसाइटी हैज टू टेक.
Correct.
क्योंकि फायर जो है उसमें पूरा बिल्डिंग कलेप्स नहीं होता है,
Correct.
लेकिन वो इंश्योरेंस में आपको काम आता है.
काम
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अपना जो भी
हाँ, there happens mishaps.
मनी
Anything happens.
फ्लड है,
Heavy rain आ गया, flood आ गया, there is a power
कंपाउंड
interruption.
वॉल खराब हो जाता है, सब तो आपको उसका क्लेम मिल सकता है.
मिल सकता है. Okay. So what you advise, CCTV is also mandatory nowadays?
Nowadays it is all you know, it is mandatory. मेरे हिसाब से mandatory है. पुलिस भी बोल रही है और बायलॉज में भी लिखा नहीं है, लेकिन पुलिस सभी सबको बड़ी सोसाइटीज में मेंशन किया है कि you have to keep CCTVs available in each floor as well as the compound and entrance where you can access to the new unauthorized activities, whatever you have, you can access.
So can you help the participants? Which are the ways? See, today you gave 1 hour question answer, and later on they want to know something more about. Is there any website where I can visit?
Yes, MCS की एक वेबसाइट है और अपना इंस्टीट्यूट का WRC का भी वेबसाइट है. वहाँ पे आप जाके उसमें वेरीफाई कर सकते हो. उसमें WRC में भी अपना कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज के ऊपर वेबसाइट है ही है उसमें.
There is a particular section over there.
हाँ.
Okay.
और कोऑपरेटिव MCS एक्ट जो है उसकी भी आपको अभी ऑनलाइन मिल जाता है सब. महासहकार का जो मैंने बताया, महासहकार महाराष्ट्र महासहकार का, उसमें भी आपको हर एक डिटेल अवेलेबल है.
So are we also, when doing audit, ICI accounting guidelines also we need to follow the ICI guidelines, accounting standards and all that?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
As a chartered accountant, you have to maintain and you have to follow
Okay.
the guidelines, whatever given regards to the maintaining of accounts, auditing, जो अपना auditing report, general audit reports का जो है mention करने का, वो सब you have to mention it.
Okay. We'll have to take care of that.
of it. Means accounting standard is our part of the.
Take care.
That's why we have to mention the physical first report, audit report.
Correct. So the rates to as such you discussed. Okay, if we what is the suggestions? Okay, 500 plus members की society अगर लेते हैं तो 50,000 audit fees is guaranteed.
मैडम ऐसा होता है ना कि appointment is made by the society. Appointment directly to be appointed made by the deputy registrar. So sometimes we are not power to take the audit.
Audit. नहीं, मतलब what is we are trying to make them
मेरा तो एक ही,
understand.
मेरा आज तक इतना मैं कम से कम 20 साल से ऑडिट कर रहा हूँ. मेरा तो ऐसा ही है कि जब तक खुद अपना जो भी इनपुट्स देते हैं वो हम लोग 100 रुपए के बदले 150 का काम देते हैं ना, तो आपको काम मिलता ही है.
हाँ.
और एवरीबडी हैप्पी विथ योर सोसाइटीज एंड ऑल द मेंबर्स, वो जो भी है वो बोले कि नहीं पुरोहित को क्यों नहीं बुलाते, वंदना मैडम को क्यों नहीं बुलाते. तो ऐसा ही होता है ना कि भाई उनको रखो आप सोसाइटी ऑडिट के लिए. और मेरा तो आज तक मैं नॉट टू से बोलते हैं ना टच वुड, मोस्टली मेरा 15 साल से है कि वो कूलिंग पीरियड छोड़ के मेरे रिपीट ही करते हैं मुझे.
हाँ, वो तो
मतलब वो अपना
आपका एक एसोसिएशन, आपका एक वैल्यू एडिशन टू दैट सोसाइटी
और एक जो भी मुझे होता है कि मैं ऐसा नहीं होता कि मैं ऑडिट कर रहा हूँ तो समझाऊं. मैं तो वैसे भी सबको मैं देता हूँ गाइडलाइंस.
वो तो हमें आज पता चल ही रहा है.
मैं उसको कमाने का जरिया नहीं समझता हूँ, बट इफ यू हैव एज ए कोऑपरेटिव देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू अर्न फ्रॉम दैट.
Yes. So Hiral, now we have ended our sections. You have any questions from the participants?
Yeah, participant has asked, Mr. Bhavesh has asked, there is any criteria requisite for CA to apply for employment?
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बराबर.
Can you repeat the question, beta?
Hello.
So just check.
Bhavesh has asked,
Yeah.
there is any criteria or requisite for CA to apply for employment?
Yes. Every 3 years, the employment will be started by the deputy registrar, barabar, and then you have to apply for the empanelment, barabar, and the new list will be come with new members attached added with the old system. Last we are in the last 12 years. It is maintaining the society. The DDR is maintaining the list. और अपना इंस्टीट्यूट से भी आपको अप्लाई कर सकते हो. उसमें WRC का अपना जो इंस्टीट्यूट में जो मेंबरशिप देते हैं ना, एम्प्लॉयमेंट मल्टीपर्पज, उसमें भी रहता था पहले. अभी now we have to take the separately.
Questions हो तू?
Empanelment with the auditor.
Now see, affidavit has to be given that you know Marathi. Also, you have to give in that affidavit, you have worked for certain society. That's what in starting only he guided us. At least you have to work under some CA who is doing cooperative housing society. And basically what they are doing is that you get A grade if you are a partnership firm. So you get bigger society audits. That's the only way how it is. And we are today discussing cooperative housing society. Mark well, once you are empaneled, you are able to do all kind of society.
Yes.
All kind of society you are eligible. Today we are catering to specific questions related to cooperative housing society.
One thing I have to add: chartered accountant having DISA completed also get the good audit A plus उसको मिलता है A1 जो टैग. और वो उनको बैंक का जो पटपड़ी का ऑडिट मिलता है.
Grade A1.
रजिस्ट्रार सामने से.
And there is one more notification which we were to discuss, that Marathi. What is this? मतलब compulsory.
One thing.
That is the one circular.
Marathi language is now compulsory in audit report. You have to give in the audit report in the Marathi language. But if the society wants that key audit report should be in English, so they have to pass in the resolution in the AGM that we need the audit report in English version. So auditor can give the audit report in English. Otherwise, they have to give both the language, Marathi language first, then for the society English. Because registrar is asking for the Marathi, because Maharashtra में है तो मराठी तो आनी चाहिए. But they have given because Mumbai और जो area है वहाँ पे तो cosmopolitan है, तो we cannot have all people knowing the Marathi. So they have relaxation they have given.
Cool.
There are any limitations in the use of sinking fund for major repairs of the society building?
Is major contingency first utilize your repairs fund and then only comes the sinking fund. Because major repairs means dependency is not there, because आपका building पूरा redevelopment like हो जाता है तो फिर वो सब बात ही नहीं आती है.
Okay. So if there is any society which is managed by the senior citizen and they are taking the risk for the safety measures for facing the hardship during that management committee tenure is over, so wanted to hold election in July, likely to be unforced for all posts. Board assistant registrar has been informed that there will be any problem for the new team.
This is a society's matter, but I am giving you answer because there are new guidelines there till the December. You continue old societies, old committee.
Old committee, and even if how many members were to election was compulsory, that also relaxed.
200.
That is also relaxed now.
Less than 200 हुए तो
you don't need to actually have the now elections process.
Okay.
Normal.
It is like that. Madam, it is like that. If you have 250 members, up to 250 members, you can hold election with the help of officer appointed by the society. May it be from society or from the panel. As an election officer.
Registrar office.
And either you can appoint one from your society also, but he has to undergo training.
Up to 250.
He has to undergo training. Now it is online.
Yeah.
And then he is eligible to hold the election of the society.
Below 250 it is right.
Yes.
And Jay, you spoke about this training. There is something now, new creature has come, education and training fund. What is that all about? Where previously education fund 3 rupees per member था. Now 10 rupees per member per month लिखा है उन्होंने. So where to utilize? Just give guidelines on that.
Yes, but you are going to give me feedback.
No, it has to be now deposited in the federation. The new rules are going to come.
Okay. Because till now it was
Otherwise,
like you have to utilize giving some lectures,
Correct.
keep society manage members or as well as society committee members needs to be upgraded with housing or whatever society knowledge.
उतना जो अमाउंट कलेक्ट किया है उतना खर्चा हम लोग को दिखा देना कि हमने इसके ऊपर किया है जिसके आप मेंबर्स को नॉलेज अपडेट किया है सोसाइटीज के रिलेटेड.
करेक्ट दैट वाज द
कोई स्पेशलाइज्ड एडवोकेट या कोई सीएस या जो भी उसमें स्पेशलाइज है उनको बुला के लेक्चर ले सकते हैं हम.
हाँ. So I think that in and all 5 to 6 we have covering up. Anything else required to be discussed?
One question is still left. Mr. Bhavesh has asked how many days before the AGM account should be circulated for review.
14 days की notice J notice
के साथ में भेजना पड़ता है. तो जितना दिन नोटिस का है सेम डे
घुमा देने
मतलब 14 डेज मिनिमम 14 डेज
मिनिमम 14
क्लीन डेज क्लियर.
Any other questions, participants you want to add?
That has been already answered.
Hiral, Hiral, I think एक question chat box में है. रवि कानाडे का है.
I had covered that, I guess.
Okay, I will put this question to Mr. Purohit.
Yeah.
As per new bylaws, 10 shares of 50 rupees.
That we discussed.
Society is 5 shares of 25 rupees. उसको रेक्टिफाई कैसे करना है? बिकॉज दे ऑलरेडी इशूड 250 रुपीज का 5 शेयर्स.
सी टोटल आपका जो सब्सक्राइब शेयर है उसको चेंज नहीं होने वाला है कुछ.
हाँ नहीं. What the question is little different. I understood now. The question is like this: 10 rupees में एक शेयर होए, but each hold 10 shares. But share me value 50 rupees. In that scenario, what?
Number of shares आपका चेंज नहीं हो रहा है ना.
The number of shares is criteria. तो आप कितने रुपीस का शेयर है उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है.
5 शेयर तो 5 ही रहने वाला है. आपका 500 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा.
हाँ तो you have to hold 10 shares. That is the bylaw, right? That is the amendment.
Yes.
Okay, so the answer will be that. Daman bhai, you.
Yes. जो भी आपका कलेक्शन लेना है, that is you have to update the collections.
So, meaning even if you are holding 50 rupees shares, that will not suffice. The criteria is you should to become a member in a society you should hold 10 shares, right? That is what we have to interpret.
10 shares नहीं.
NSU કીધું 5 શેર 50 રૂપિયાના છે અને જો તમે કીધું 10 રૂપિયા વાળો શેર હોત આપણે જનરલી ઓલા લોકો શું લખ્યું 10 rupees તો હું 10 into 5 50 rupees
500 rupees એક શેર થઈ ગયો ને.
અત્યારે એની જો ક્યાં લખ્યું છે ને જો 50 into each of 250 લખ્યું છે
તો પછી આપણે એડિશન કરવા પડે શેર્સ ને એટલે
એ જ કીધું ને.
The question we have to pass the bill and get approval from the registrar office, DDR office, deputy registrar office.
क्वेश्चन ये था कि उसको रेक्टिफाई कैसे करना है.
हाँ अपना नया न्यू शेयर इश्यू करना पड़ेगा ना आपको उसके लिए. हाँ
न्यू शेयर इश्यू करके 2 सर्टिफिकेट होगा फिर तो.
यस करेक्ट. सेम नंबर वगैरह सेम रहेगा लेकिन और आपको उसको रजिस्ट्रार को मेंशन करना है, डिटेल देना है आपको.
हाँ, लेजर फेल्योर चेंज क्या लेजर फेल्योर में नीचे नवा शेयर नंबर्स आ गए
एवरीथिंग यू नंबर्स. सो 90% society has not done this.
Mara to 80% society has done this because of my pressure.
I would like to add here one thing.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you can also go for the cancellation of the old share certificate and give one consolidated certificate of 10 shares.
Yes, sir. Because I think that's a correct way of doing. I think because at the time of transfer of shares, if you have only one share certificate, it makes easier for the buyer.
Correct.
Yeah.
In a way.
Yes.
Otherwise, it makes because society members and managing committee सबको तो इतना knowledge नहीं होता एक चीज का. कोई नया आ गया तो बोलेगा कि हमको मालूम नहीं एक शेयर में 2 शेयर कैसे हो गया ये फलाना दिखना. Or maybe makes some.
But that is why auditor comes into place. No, you are checking register, share
register. After the completion of the audit, you can do this. No, before that, you how can you know?
That is why you will put the remarks, and that's why this discussion is going on. कि हमें उन्हें educate करना है कि shares register maintain करना ही है आप लोग को और members register भी maintain करना है उसपे आपको transfer, transmission, everything you have to take care. And that's what we are going to go and do the audit. No, that is where I think that can be an area, additional area of practice. Increase in share capital. So I think now it's turn of Hiral.
Yeah, everything is
all participants will agree that today was healthy discussion. We wanted chai pe charcha. It's a study group, but all are open for this is our own forum, close knit, so we can have a discussion. And next Sunday we are having on that TCS. which is coming in from 1st July, income tax TCS, it will be taken up by Pinky Kedia, Chartered Accountant. So members, I will again request you to come next Sunday, same time, 5 o'clock. But before that, let Hiral propose very well